Greetings, my viewers, lovers of mathematics. In today's class, we want to solve an Olympiad math question, an exponential equation for that matter. I want you to watch. It is a simple question and it is going to be brief. Meanwhile, subscribe to my channel and also like my videos. Without wasting your time, we have it that 0.25 is raised to power x minus 1. Then it is equal to 32. What should be the value of x when this is simplified? By solution to this question, I am given to solve 0.25 raised to power x minus 1 equal to 32. I want to start from this bracket. 0.25 is the same as 1 over 4. That is putting the decimal as a fraction. That is 25 over 100. So you reduce it to the lowest fraction. It becomes 1 over 4. Therefore, I can write here 1 over 4 is raised to power x minus 1 equal to 32. Very good. And you can agree with me that 4 is the same as 2 raised to power 2. That means I can now write here 1 over 2 raised to power 2 is raised to power x minus 1, which is equal to 32. Very good. By law of indices, if I give you 1 over 2 raised to power 2, it's the same thing as 2 raised to power negative 2. The reason is because by law in indices, according to negative power index, we have it that if you are given 1 over x, okay, maybe x raised to power a, it is the same thing as x raised to power minus a. This is a law in indices. That law can be applied to the left hand side to give me 2 raised to power minus 2, then all raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 32. Meanwhile, you should also know that 32 can be put in index form and of course in base 2 as 2 raised to power 5. Why? Because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 5 times. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. So that is 2 times 2 by 5 times. That is equal to the same thing as 2 raised to power 5. Alright, we can therefore write, meanwhile I can open the bracket here by law of indices, that if I have x raised to power a or raised to power b, it is also equal to x raised to power ab. The exponents will multiply. I will apply this law by the left hand side, and then express this 32 by the right hand side in index form. This is now going to give me 2 raised to power minus 2 times x will give me minus 2x, and minus 2 times minus 1 is going to give me positive 2 equal to 32 now will be written as 2 raised to power 5. That is where I am now. Moving forward to solving this problem, we can now apply the law in indices that says if I have a raised to power x equal to a raised to power y, once the bases are the same, the powers automatically becomes equal. And that means that x is equal to y. So we can write, cancelling out the bases, we have minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 5. This is the same as minus 2x is equal to 5 minus 2, moving positive 2 from left to the right hand side, and therefore I have minus 2x equal to 3. Dividing both sides by negative 2, that will give me minus 2x all over minus 2 is equal to 3 all over minus 2. This will cancel this, giving me x equal to negative 3 all over 2 as the final answer for the value of x. Meanwhile, within the shortest time, let us test our result, check result. Check result. It may not be necessary. At this point, we are done with our solving. But then, we want to authenticate and ensure that our answer is very correct by substituting the value of x into the given question, into the given equation, to see if the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. And that means that 0.25 raised to power x minus 1. I want to see if I replace the value of x, will it give me 32? If it gives me 32, that tells us that our answer is 100% accurate and correct. So, like I said, that 0.25 is the same as 1 over 4. So I now have 1 over 4 raised to power minus 3 over 2 minus 1 equal to 32. But minus 3 over 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 5 over 2. Okay, that is what it will give me. Meaning that I will now have 1 over 4 raised to power minus 5 over 2. Is it equal to 32? That is what I want to authenticate. By this fraction, if I flip it, if I give you 1 all over x raised to power minus maybe a over b, it is the same thing as x raised to power a over b. Okay, what happens there is that once I flip the fraction inside the bracket, the negative power will disappear to become positive. Therefore, I will now have here to have 4 raised to power 5 over 2. Want to see if this is equal to 32. By this power, applying the fractional index law in indices, this becomes the square root of 4, everything raised to power 5, equal to 32. But you can agree with me now, looking at it, that the square root of 4 inside the bracket is 2. Okay? Raised to power 5. The question should be, is 2 raised to power 5 equal to 32? Yes, because we have already expressed it here. Therefore, 32 is equal to 32. Authenticating our answer. So we conclude here that the value of x is minus 3 all over 2. Thank you for watching to the end. Subscribe to my channel and also like my videos. God bless you for watching.